polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of the zeros respectively. See that as the sum and product of the zeros respectively, that is given, that sum and product directly, that is given. So that means in that given figure, what is the first one? 1 by 4 and minus 1. Second section, 1 by 4 and minus 1. Sum and product. This is the sum. Sum means what? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to 1 by 4. Product means what? Alpha beta, which is equal to minus 1. Now we have to write the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. How to write the quadratic polynomial? That we derived already, that k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So which is equals to k of x square minus alpha plus beta means 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta means minus 1. So which is equals to k of x square minus 1 by 4x plus into minus 1. Now when k is equal to 4, what is your answer? 4x square minus x, 4 gets cancelled, minus 4. So 4x square minus x minus 4 is the answer for that problem. And now next section, that after that, suppose see that this is the problem 0 comma root 5. Second problem, and one more problem, that 0 comma root 5. That is problem number, for example, 3. In that third problem, 0 comma root 5. Now sum alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Product alpha beta is equal to root 5. Product alpha beta is equal to root 5. Now k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x, that is same. So which is implies k of x square minus sum alpha plus beta is 0 into x plus alpha beta is root 5. So which is equals to k of x square plus root 5. K of x square plus root 5. That means what is the value of k? For any value of k, or that means for all k, for all the values of k, for all the values of k. Suppose if k is equal to 1, your answer is x square plus root 5. If k is equal to 2, your answer is 2x square plus 2 root 5. If k is equal to 10, your answer is 10x square plus 10 root 5. So that's why for all values of k, this is the quadratic polynomial. And the remaining problems do. There will be no special assignment for this section. You do that in the section 1, the remaining problems, and the section 2. Section 2 means Roman 2, the remaining problems you do. Next, see the third problem. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta given in this case. Find a quadratic polynomial for this, in this case, that alpha comma beta, the zeros given 2 comma minus 1. Zeros given means one is alpha, another one is beta. Alpha is 2, beta is minus 1. Substitute in the same quadratic polynomial. What is that? K of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So that k of x square minus alpha means 2 plus into plus beta means minus 1 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 1. So which implies k of x square minus 2 into plus into minus 1 into x plus into minus 2. So which implies k of x square minus 2 minus 1 into x 1 minus 2. So for all the values of k, put k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, the different values, the different answers will come. Suppose if the denominator is there, then only you put the value of k and then you write the answer. So k of, note down please, k of x square minus x minus 2. K of x square minus x minus 2. Now go for next problem. If you want to leave the problem, you can leave. Otherwise, you write put k is equal to 1. That means when k is equal to 1, what is your answer? X square minus x minus 2. Otherwise, you leave that. But different values of k. And one more example that in the same section. minus root 3, suppose. Root 3 and minus root 3. Same k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now substitute k of x square minus alpha is root 3 plus beta is minus root 3 into x plus alpha beta, that is root 3 into minus root 3. So k of x square minus plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel, that is 0 into x plus into minus root 3 into root 3, 3. So which implies k of x square minus 3 for any value of k. Better you take, put k is equal to 1. What is your answer? X square minus 3. If k is equal to 1, your answer is x square minus 3. So this is the way to represent that the concepts of the different. What is the quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now you complete this exercise 3.3. The remaining problems of 1, 2, 3 and the remaining problems you complete. That is your assignment today in this section. Okay. Now thank you very much for this.